When we add the whole numbers first, and I have 1 plus 4 equals 5. As I said before, we can use this rule only for addition. And after that, we're supposed to add fractions. I have 1 over 20 plus 2 over 3. Now, we do not have common denominator. Okay, in order to add fractions, we're supposed to find a common denominator. Common denominator for these two fractions is 60. The question is, every one of you is saying that? If not, let me just remind you that we're supposed to use the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. I hope this is going to be enough for us. And we're supposed to draw the lines and write the denominators next to each line. So I have 20 and I have 3. 20 is divisible by 2. You have to divide 20 by the prime numbers. 20 is divisible by 2. It gives me 10. 10 is divisible by 2 is 5. 5 is divisible by 5 is 1. This is 3 is divisible by 3 is 1. Other words, I can say this is 2 to the second power times 5 equals 20, and I have 3 is equal 3. Okay? Now, if you're looking for LCD, lowest common denominator, you have to remember that we have to always look at the different numbers and highest powers. Remember, anytime we have no power, there is always invisible one. We have to always look at the numbers which are on the left side of the equal sign. Different numbers are 2, 5, and 3, and all of them are different, so that's why I'm going to copy all of them. So I have 2 to the second power times 5 times 3. 2 to the second power is 2 times 2 is 4. That's why I'm going to have 4 times 5 times 3. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 3 is equal 60. That's why my common denominator is 60. Okay, let me copy these fractions one more time. I have 1 over 20, and I have 2 over 3. We said common denominator is 60. 60. My question is, by what number I have to multiply 20 to get 60? I have to multiply by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. By what number I have to multiply 3 to get 60? Times 20. 2 times 20 is 40. Okay, so I have 3 over 60 plus 40 over 60. So I have common denominator is 60. Anytime I have common denominator, I add the numerators. 3 plus 40 is 43. That's why my final answer is 5 plus 43 over 60. $5 plus change is $5 and change. So they have 5, 43 over 60.